Let's hope it holds my camera.
Oh, how I wish for the Christmases of old, where the snow would fall and the air was crisp and cold.
Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. It's your girl Lenye. I'm looking a little wild today. Okay, so it is Vlogmas day 3, and today we're gonna be doing an unboxing. I just got some Amazon products that I ordered, so I'm going to open them with you guys. I'll sit you guys right here. Yeah, y'all can definitely hear the AC. No, you're not available. Not sure. You're not able to see me though. Okay, that's a little better. I hope you guys can see me. Let me turn off the AC and the engine. Okay. So if you guys are like me, when I order stuff, sometimes they stay so long to come that I don't even know what they are. I mean, look at these packages. Look at this packaging. It's all dirty. Oh, so I ordered a bag from Coach, and I also ordered a purse. So the bag came in last week, and now this is my purse, and it goes with the bag. So this is gonna be my new purse, because the old one, the one that you're sitting on right now, because I had to prop you guys up, that one is probably 5 to 6 years old. So this is the new one. I'm loving it, and it comes with the cards and stuff inside. This is what it looks like. I hope you guys can see. You can put your cards here and your cash here in the back. There's a zip, and it has a wristlet. So I think this one is called the phone wallet. And yeah, this is a Christmas gift to myself, the bag and this. Okay, let's see what this is now. I don't know what this is. Oh, okay. I know what it is now. So I needed to get some sort of protection for my key. So I ordered a key holder. That's what it is. A key fob. This is This is the back of it. And this is what it looks like. Okay, and this is the back. So this is my key. So I'm just gonna, how does this go? I rather put it on now than to probably lose it. Okay, it's giving me problems. Yeah, that's gonna have to wait. And let's put the key right here so don't lose it. And this is the last package for today, guys. It's a very short vlog today. I was supposed to be going out for lunch, and I don't think I'm gonna do that. So I have gone through like 4 or 5 car mounts for this camera, and the camera that I'm using is a Sony ZV-E10, right? So I came across these. I did not know that they would be so small, but I think it came in a pack of okay, so it came in a pack of 6. And what this is, it sticks on your dashboard and it holds up the camera. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try this out. Let's hope it holds my camera to show you guys. So, and look guys, it's very sticky. Let's hope it holds my camera. So we're gonna peel this, and this part is also sticky, and we're gonna, this is what it looks like on the dashboard. Guys, let me say that I don't know about this. I don't think it's gonna stay. I don't think it's gonna stay. But we'll test it out when we're driving and see if it works. Okay, so this is the end of Vlogmas day 3. I know it's not much, but I am committed to vlogging every single day. So if it has to be a short vlog, it has to be a short vlog. Okay, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm fighting with my key. Bye guys.